This is literally seconds after the end of the last vlog.
Yep. Today we are at Epcot and we just met Mickey, Minnie and Goofy. It was really fun. We hadn't actually got photos with them yet on this holiday, so
yep.
It was good, and we're just going to kind of have a relaxing day today. We want to kind of just go around the world and just do some exploring, nothing too intense.
Yeah, last time we were here in 2016, we kind of had to rush through the whole of the World Showcase because we didn't plan our fast passes well. We had like some at the entrance to Epcot, and then down, I think we had maybe a reservation or something down near the end of the World Showcase, and then more fast passes back near the entrance to Epcot.
And even like the other day, we were kind of racing around for fast passes for rides in the futuristic area, and we couldn't get through all of the world. So we're just gonna finish that today and then might finish early. I don't know, we don't really have anything else to do.
Yeah, and today is kind of an extra day. We initially planned to go to Hollywood Studios for a half day before the Christmas party, but we kind of chilled out and didn't do that. So we have an extra park day ticket, and that's today. So this is all just bonus time in the park.
It's going to be a rest day, so I guess it's like a chill day at the park. We're about to get a photo with Baymax. We're grabbing some food from Seasons. I'm pretty sure this is the exact same thing that we got last time. Looks tasty though. There's some very ominous clouds looming behind the bowl.
Two of the three wise men fell over. There is the cookie that we're gonna get again. It's Miguel from Coco. And I don't know if you can see on the camera, but there's the photo with the ripped out bit.
My hair is going everywhere.
Mine's fine.
Did you want to be in the
Yes. Oh, that was cool.
Magical. These flying everywhere. With my hair. Did you see that? I looked, he was climbing over the fence and Milan was like, no. Okay, let's get photos, but it's quite a big line and I don't particularly feel like waiting. It looks like they might have like a show on in here, or maybe they're just seats.
They must do a show.
Yeah. Well, that's Shanghai Disney, is it? Apparently Shanghai Disney has the largest castle out of all of the parks.
Your hair is going crazy. I can hear bass as well.
Jetzt weiß ich nicht mal, wo du bist und ich bin der Mensch, der dir alleine sagt. 1000 Kilometer zwischen dir und diesem Welt. Und ich bin wieder allein. Nicht nur das Mädchen, das du mal warst und das Neue brauch ich nicht. Ich dachte immer, sowas war dir Spaß. And before that, we're gonna get loud. Jetzt mach doch mal! One more time! Jetzt mach doch mal!
We're partying today.
Oh, no.
This is the perfect road for us. And there's a little village. It's so cute.
I feel like we're in Attack on Titan, but we're the Titans right now.
Yeah.
I love your shoes.
Thank you.
Okay, he's not in this shop.
It's crazy windy right now. Also, we just found out that at the candlelight singing thing, the girl who plays Moana and who sings Moana's songs is actually performing there tonight. So if we're here long enough, we might stay and watch because that would be really cool, but I don't know, it's like 2 o'clock and I feel like we've already seen a lot of the things, so I don't know, we'll see. Those clouds look very ominous.
Oh, you're videoing now.
Yeah.
He's bigger than I expected.
Yeah. I don't think he could fit on your back, like climb on you.
Yeah, no.
Like in Let's Go, they like sit on their head or shoulders. Tats art. Some other cool stuff. What was that?
It's disappointing because I saw it and I like the subject matter, but I just don't like the art style of this one. I got really excited for a second.
I thought you were like looking at it because of the cost and you're like, ooh. You've got to get these ones at an angle. Here's another closer look at the ball. It looks so cool and it's very trippy.
Yeah, it looks very cell shaded.
Yeah, we probably said that last time, but still true.
Yep.
Goodbye, Epcot.
Bye bye, Epcot ball.
See you next time.
Or maybe tomorrow, who knows?
Maybe. We're not planning on it, but you never know. Look how good my fringe looks. It was very windy today, so my hair is just a mess, but we just got back to the hotel. It's almost 5 o'clock, so it's quite early to be getting back, but we kind of did everything that we wanted to do and there wasn't really much else to hang around for, so we thought we'd come back here early and just kind of chill out because tomorrow is going to be a really full-on day. Tomorrow is our last day at the parks, but we're basically going to be we're going to be going to Animal Kingdom early on for a fast pass, and then I think Magic Kingdom is open until midnight tomorrow. We have a dinner booking at Magic Kingdom, so we'll be doing Animal Kingdom first half of the day and then Magic Kingdom second half of the day, and we will end probably with the fireworks with the castle. I don't know what Kieran's doing. Also, we started pin trading this time. We didn't do any last time we were here, but got really into it, and so did we. And we found this pin of Miko from Pocahontas. It's one of her favorite Disney films, and I don't think she's got this one. She's going to be very excited when she sees this. So I don't think we've shown you all this resort at night before. It looks really cool. So we're in the Broadway section. So you've got some Broadway lights and there's some posters over there with lights around them. I'm not going to get too close because it's quite cold out. But then you've also got the big band section, and I will show you guys more when we get closer to other sections. It looks way better in person, by the way. The camera is not doing it justice. And that is the moon up there. It is a full moon. It is very bright.
And once again,
the camera cannot pick it up. This Calypso section isn't really lit up. And then we have the cafeteria area up ahead. So that's pretty much all the sections that we walk through regularly. We're watching the Sabrina Christmas special, and I'm having some vegan ravioli, which is like a heat up meal, and Kieran's having some burritos. Where did you find him?
oh!
We traded him, found him at a trader.
Oh my goodness! That's amazing. I thought that I was not going to find any like this. This is amazing. Thank you.